If you're looking for a quick way to turn off NFC and contactless payments on your Android phone, you're in the right place. Whether you want to save a little battery, improve your privacy, or simply don't use tap-to-pay features, the process is quick and easy. Let me walk you through each step. Open the Settings menu. Once you're there, scroll down until you see Connections, then tap on it. This section contains all of your phone's wireless connection settings, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Now look for NFC and contactless payments and tap on it. On some Samsung devices, the name may look slightly different depending on the Android version you're using, but it will still be easy to find. When the page opens, you'll notice a toggle switch next to the NFC option. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. As soon as the toggle is disabled, your phone will stop using NFC, and contactless payment features like Tap to Pay will no longer work until you turn the setting back on. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.